Hey guys, quick daily recap again today. Here was the daily plan I posted on the community tab here on YouTube as well as StockTwits. Hit 160 subscribers as well as 500 followers on StockTwits, so thank you guys. If you guys do find value in what I post, your support does mean a lot. Subscribe, thumbs up, please, and thank you. So I think we spoke about yesterday in the recap. Since we had FOMC yesterday, obviously a huge move down. We tend to see, obviously nothing's 100%, a slower, at least opening session the next day, and that's what we had today, right? We did have a nice auction down, but it was very, very slow. But where do we auction down to? The buy zone given before open, right? So we see here, just looking at the 30-minute tape, if these charts are completely foreign to you, I have pinned to the home page of the channel a quick video on how these are set up and how you read them. But we're looking at the transacted volume. So what do we see here at the end? Obviously, green, we see a buying imbalance, but there's more to that. We see complete exhaustion. We have what we call a zero print. We've talked about this a lot on the channel, right? Zero, no one's willing to transact down here. We're going up, right? That is complete exhaustion on the tape, and it provided a very, very nice long, right? About 55 points from the zone. So apart from that, auction down, and for the most part, we've been on our way up. This pivot area we've spoken about over the past few months here on the channel, right? This is an overlap of two multi-day balance areas, and you could see it being respected during the overnight session with this bounce, as well as once we reclaimed it. Well, you guys see, right? So apart from that, there's not much to go over today, right? We look at our TPO charts. If you don't know how to read TPO charts, I know they're super intimidating because it's a whole bunch of letters, but it's really not difficult in the slightest to learn. It helped us visualize what's going on in the market auction, and when you learn how to read it, it's just literally a quick glance. The very, very useful tools. So here's what our TPO looks like, and yeah, I mean that's pretty much it for today, right? Plan worked out perfectly. If you guys are interested in learning how I come up with these levels, how I actually execute on these levels, right? There's more to this than just finding a level. This is why, giving out daily plans is my personal daily plan, but you actually have to learn how to execute on these. So, in the room, we're looking at smaller time frame footprints. I have a whole set of criteria that I look for entry. My entry criteria, I have very strict rules. And I teach all of that every day. So my website will be in the description, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another market recap.